Information theory. Information theory is a branch of applied mathematics, electrical engineering, and computer science involving the quantification of information. Information theory was developed by Shannon to find fundamental limits of signal processing operations such as compressing data and on reliably storing and communicating data. Since its inception, it has broadened to find applications in many other areas, including statistical inference, natural language processing, cryptography, neurobiology, the evolution and function of molecular codes, model selection ecology, thermophysics, quantum computing, linguistics, plagiarism detection, pattern recognition, anomaly detection, and other forms of data analysis. A key measure of information is entropy, which is usually expressed by the average number of bits needed to store or communicate one symbol in a message. Entropy quantifies the uncertainty involved in predicting the value of a random variable. For example, specifying the outcome of a fair coin flip, two equally like outcomes, provides less information, lower entropy, than specifying the outcome from a roll of die, six equally likely outcomes. Applications of fundamental topics of information theory include lossless data compression, zip files, lossy data compression, MP3s and JPEGs, and channel coding, digital subscriber line. The field is at the intersection of mathematics, statistics, computer science, physics, neurobiology, and electrical engineering. Its impact has been crucial to the success of the Voyager missions to deep space, the invention of the compact disc, the feasibility of mobile phones, the development of the internet, the study of linguistics and of human perception, the understanding of black holes, and numerous other fields. Important subfields of information theory are source coding, channel coding, algorithmic complexity theory, algorithmic information theory, information theoretic security, and measures of information. Read about the quantities of information, entropy, joint entropy, conditional entropy, equivocation, mutual information, transinformation, Kublack-Leiber divergence information gain, coding theory, source theory, rate, channel capacity, capacity of particular channel models, applications to other fields, intelligence uses and secrecy applications, pseudo-random number generation, seismic exploration, semiotics, miscellaneous applications. Read also about algorithmic probability, algorithmic information theory, Bayesian inference, communication theory, constructor theory, inductive probability, minimum message length, minimum description length, list of important publications, philosophy of information, its applications in active networking, cryptanalysis, cryptography, cybernetics, entropy and thermodynamics and information theory, gambling, intelligence, information gathering, seismic exploration. Read also about coding theory, detection theory, estimation theory, Fisher information, information algebra, information asymmetry, information field theory, information geometry, information theory and measure theory, logic of information, network coding, philosophy of information, quantum information science, semiotic information theory, source coding, unsolved problems, the concepts of band unit, channel capacity, channel communications, communication source, conditional entropy, covert channel, decoder, differential entropy, encoder, information entropy, joint entropy, mutual information, pointwise mutual information, receiver information theory, redundancy, self-information, unicity distance, variety, Read all about information theory, information theory, information theory.